What are you doing? What is that? Uh-oh. Good job, buddy. Yay! Good job. High five. No. Oh. What do you want me to do with it? Look. Are you trying to put it back on? Goes like this. There you go. That's, you had it right. That's how it goes. There you go. Yeah, don't get mad. Pull it all the way over. Don't get mad. Almost, almost. Look at that. Good job. Good job. Well, almost. Close. You got to put that arm through there too. Look. But it's backwards. Good job. It's on the back. Your airplane's on the back. It's on the back of your shirt, buddy. You gonna fix it? What are you doing? Do you want help? Do you want help? Can Mommy help you? Here. Here, just pull your arms back through. Just your arms. Here. Pull that through, yeah. Okay. No, not all the way out. Not all the way out. Just leave it like that. And then do this arm out. Give me this. Alright. Now you just turn the shirt around. See? Look. Airplane's back. It's back. Put your arms back through it. There you go. Oh, no. Hold on. Through here. Through this hole. Where's your hand? There you go. There you go. Yay! There you go. High five. Found it.